Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The dollar advanced modestly as a boost in risk appetite sent US equities higher and kept gains on the safe haven in check ahead of a key reading on inflation later in the week. Victims have lost over $1 billion in cryptocurrency scams between January 2021 and March 2022, according to a report released by the Federal Trade Commission. Over 46,000 people have lost money in crypto fraud since the beginning of 2021, making it the leading source of payment scams. The semiconductor sector continued to see a mixed bag of results, with the latest data showing COVID-related lockdowns in China putting some limits on the sector's performance.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0430 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2350 GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0600 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.